All right, I'm back. Friday afternoon, just left the gym. I just checked the numbers. Wanted to get the boardroom together one last time before the weekend ends. Get a quick boardroom guidance once we get the full numbers for Friday, and it's looking good. That's why I'm a little bit excited. I've been, as I say, most weeks I can't wait, and for today I couldn't wait at all, and it held true. It's up pretty big today. It's a green day. It's back-to-back green days, Thursday, Friday. So if you had followed the guidance, previous boardroom guidance for the last couple of weeks, if you've been tuning in, you paid yourself. You need to hit that link in the description, deposit a penny into your new Webull account, and get 6 free stocks, and you'll be on track with us. That's the boardroom guidance. I had to come jumping on really fast to get to this because I'm not sure if the market's ever going to be as low as it was right now these past couple of weeks. This was the day, this was the week, the past 2 weeks. It was the great reset. You had your chance, so now you better get in now these next 2 weeks before it goes back to 2020 prices. So just so you know, since March, we peaked at an all-time high in March. April, May, June, the worst quarter in like 40 years since the 70s. So if it's the worst quarter since the 70s, which is 50 years, that means it's an opportunity to buy by the likes of 50 years. So you gotta just keep buying. I know it's hard because everything's dropping. There's no confidence, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD. But you gotta be tough. You gotta stick to your convictions. And you gotta just keep buying those blue chip stocks, 50% off, 35% off now. You're missing your chances. So if you hadn't jumped on Apple or Google, I would recommend hopping on the link in the description below. Open a Webull account. All you have to do is deposit a penny and you're in the game. But you should buy some Google today before the market closes. You have a few more hours. Buy some Google. It's about to split tonight, 20-1. Buy some Apple. It's low. Google and Apple, the two big blue chip companies, the two winners. They're gonna just consume, buy out all the competition, or the competition's gonna go BK. It's a game of winners and losers. Absolute winners and absolute losers. So you gotta make sure you're on the right team, on the right side. You don't wanna take anything too risky. The market is fluctuating because of so many bubbles, real estate, interest rates, global uncertainty, like countries like Sri Lanka. A bunch of countries are like turmoiled. A bunch of countries are going through some bad times, so the market is very volatile. If you buy in, you need to leave it in for about 6 months at least. But that's just the thing. You gotta hold it, you gotta be confident in it. Buy. Buy these stocks and hold them. And we're the strongest economy in the world. We're gonna bounce back stronger than before. So you just gotta have confidence in the system. I've seen this before. Nothing that we're going through has been that outrageous. Similar to 2018, similar to I think there was a bit of a dip. 2014, December 2014, a bit of a dip, and then obviously the COVID dip. And if you had bought all those dips all the way down on each dip, like I've been advising to buy on this dip, you'd be in really good shape. It's just the thing is, nobody wants to buy on the dip because they're so fearful. But that's a very popular phrase. Be greedy when you're fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy. So this big run up in March, this low interest rates run up, everybody was greedy. You should have been fearful. Don't buy when it's popping off like that. You gotta buy when people are fearful, like right now. Nobody knows what's gonna happen next week. So it's gonna bring me to the last home stretch here. Just finished off the gym, so I'm exhausted, but I want to give you some guidance for next week, early Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It'll be, see, today's July 15th, 16th, it'll be July 18th. Moves for July 18th. This is the content you came for, the home stretch here before I pick up the pace. Buy. Listen to me. Buy on Monday. As soon as the market opens, 6 a.m. Pacific time, 9 a.m., 9:30 Eastern time, whenever it is, as soon as you can, buy. Purchase, purchase, purchase. Buy stocks. No swaps. Inbound only. Buy. You're gobbling up all these assets that nobody wants because they're afraid. You're gobbling up as many Apple and Google shares as you can. You're gobbling up AMC. You're gobbling up. Pick a brand that you use every week. Lululemon, whatever. I don't like it, but something mainstream that just jumped down. Nvidia, Microsoft, Tesla. I could name 10 more. Gobble it up. Everybody else is fearful. This is when you be greedy. This is when you make, this is where you get exponential, because you can get more stocks at a lower price with the same amount of money. So hit the link in the description. Deposit at least a penny and kick it off with 6 free, and then you'll figure it out, and then you can deposit more money on Monday. So I'm gonna leave it with that. I'm at the end of my steps here. Have an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna pick up the pace here down this last home stretch. Buy. Hit the link in the description and buy. You'll be thanking me in November. It's a full moon, baby. It's harvest time. Let's get that money. All right, peace, yo. Have a great weekend. I'm gonna pick up the pace. Thanks again. All right, later. Have a great weekend. Peace and love.